30 years ago, you began a journey together, not knowing everything the years ahead would bring, but choosing each other with courage, hope, and love. Through seasons of joy and seasons of difficulty, you stayed faithful to that promise. In your love for each other, you created a home for us, a home where we learned kindness, patience, faith, and what it means to care for others. As we grow older, we understand more clearly how much of yourselves you gave for our family, and we realize how incredibly blessed we are to have parents whose love has stood the test of time. Thank you for loving each other so faithfully, and thank you for loving us so deeply. Happy 30th anniversary, Nanay and Tatay. Your love will always be one of our greatest blessings.
Boss Gyrex, Ma'am Miner, happy anniversary po sa inyo. God bless you at many more years ng inyong pagmamahalan. God bless. Ako si Piolo Pascual.
Happy anniversary, Tito Gyrex.
At kay Tita Miner, mag-enjoy kayo sa inyong anniversary.
At sa anak si Dominic.
Yeah!
Happy 30th anniversary, Kuya Gyrex and Ate Miner. Grabe naman. Love at sweet na sweet nyo talaga sa isa't isa. Tuwing magkakasama tayo, kitang-kita naman ang pagmamahalan yung dalawa. So, grabe, what a milestone. And I wish you many more happy years together. Happy anniversary and see you soon. God bless.
Hello, Gyrex and Miner. It's Barbie, and I just want to greet you a happy 30th wedding anniversary, and I pray that you would continue to be rooted in God, na siya po yung maging foundation niyo ng inyong marriage, and I know that you're a blessing to so many people. I pray that He will continue to provide for you and your family. God bless you, and happy 30th anniversary.
Hi, Gyrex and Miner Kasakop. Ito si Jojo A, and I'm greeting both of you a happy 30th wedding anniversary. I'm wishing you and your family, especially in your relationship, an abundance of love, more love blessings, health and wealth para sa inyong dalawa, especially, no? Continue loving each other the way you do. And meron lang akong idadagdag pa, no? Alam nyo ba na pagkatapos ng wedding ring, anong susunod? Oh, wedding ring, anniversary ring. Kaya dapat bigyan mo si Mrs. ng bagong sing-sing, ha? Para mapasayaw naman siya. No, but again, congratulations to both of you, and